happened again. I've run out of string on my trimmer. Today I'm going to show you quickly how to replace the line on your trimmer. And this is a Craftsman 32cc Weedwacker trimmer. So first of all, to get the spool off, you have to actually turn this clockwise, so it's actually the opposite of a normal thread. So what you do is you hold this area right here, and you can see the little bolt head in here. What I do is simply hold this with a pair of channel lock pliers like that, and then turn the spool head clockwise, and it'll come off. So I had to turn this clockwise in order to remove the head. Okay, I've got the spool head removed. Now what I'm going to do is disassemble the spool head in order to get to my line. And basically it has two tabs, one tab here and one tab here. I press in on those with my thumb and number 3 finger, and then just take a little screwdriver and just kind of prise that up. It shouldn't be hard to do. And then that allows this to come out like that. Okay, and then after you get this off, go ahead and remove all your old trimmer line. Okay, and then get your new trimmer line. And I recommend using the same diameter trimmer line as what's recommended in your manual. This trimmer line is 0.095. Okay, now to replace the line, what you obtain for this particular trimmer is 15 feet of your line. Okay, so we're going to do that. Okay, once you have your line, and this is the middle of your line right here, doubled over, basically you take this loop and you place on your middle spool like that. And notice my little ridges are facing me. Alright, now there's a bottom line and then there's a top line right here, but what I'm going to do is bring this top line through this little slot right here so that we have both of them on the bottom slot. And then I'm just simply going to spool my line like in this direction. Okay, now once you get near the end of your line, you want to place one line in this guide slot right here. That snaps in there, and then place one in the other guide slot right there. So that once you're done, it should look like something like this. Okay. Now then, to reassemble this, what we're going to do is put this inside of the head so that okay, so I've now placed the spool inside the cover. Alright, and then I will take this one and place in this side here, take this one and then place in this exit hole here, and then you take this piece and place in here while trying to hold these down, and then snap that in there. It's kind of hard to do, but okay, that's it. And that's the way you replace your spool line. Okay, now we're going to replace the spool head onto the trimmer, and remember, you turn it opposite what you normally would. You turn it clockwise, and then I just simply hand tighten it because it's going to tighten up on its own. Okay.